For a while, we've sold a breakout board for the LSM9DS0 Inertial Measurement Unit, or IMU. Then, we upgraded to the LSM9DS1. This offers a full magnetic field scale of plus or minus 16 Gauss. If you're not familiar with IMUs, these are a combination of electronic devices that attempt to measure an object's position, rotation, and direction in space. The LSM9DS1 is a 9 degrees of freedom measurement device that combines 3 different sensors. The first is an accelerometer that reports the device's acceleration in the X, Y, and Z directions. The second is a gyroscope that tells how much the device is rotating around each of the X, Y, and Z axes. And the third is a magnetometer that acts as a compass, which can give you a heading in the north, south, east, west plane. By combining all that information, it can tell us a lot about how an object is moving and facing in space. You'll often find IMUs in things like aircraft autopilots, missile guidance systems, motion capture technology for 3D animation, and input devices for virtual reality gear. Another popular product that we've had for some time is the 9DoF stick. Since this was an older IMU, it combined 3 separate chips on the board to make up the 9 degrees of freedom. Now, we've upgraded the old 9DoF stick by replacing all 3 chips with the LSM9DS1. We've simplified the interface with only 4 pins. You provide 3.3 volts, ground, and an I2C connection, and the 9DoF stick will give you all of those spatial measurements we talked about just a moment ago. Just to show you how small this thing is, I've connected the 9DoF stick to a Teensy 3.1 and loaded it with the free IMU firmware. As I move the board around in space, free IMU performs all the necessary filtering and reports the accelerometer, gyroscope, and magnetometer data back over the serial. Here, the free IMU calibration software is capturing and recording the accelerometer and magnetometer data, which show up as points around a set of spheres. Having the LSM9DS1 on a tiny PCB offers the ability to put it in very small spaces, like a model rocket or your own version of a power glove. Give it a shot. We'd love to know what you're making. Leave a comment or give us a message on Twitter or Facebook to tell us what your 9DoF project is.